I came to Pine Bluff. I had married, and my husband was from Pine Bluff. I was born in Newark, New Jersey, and had spent my life in sizable cities. But when I came to Pine Bluff, it certainly was a very different experience. Most of the women who were my age wore gloves and hats and had tea parties and things like that, and I was not used to that. I guess I just tried to recreate my sense of place. And I used to pass this vacant fire station, and I thought to myself, well, what can be done with this? And I thought about several different things. And then at that time, a group called the Junior Auxiliary was interested in starting an art class. I was asked to join the organization at that time, and I did. And I suggested that one possibility as a place would be the old firehouse. And I just got in there and turned it into an art center called the Little Firehouse Community Arts Center. And we had all sorts of things that went on there. Classes there, we had a gallery in the firemen's quarters where they slept. We had a dark room for photography classes. We brought in other teachers from other areas. I mean, I just loved it. I mean, it was and I practically burst into tears, because I never really had thought of myself as a professional in the same sense. But I took the job and I commuted from Pine Bluff to Little Rock. Yeah, I mean, I've always have to find something else to do when you don't have a job as such. You just keep on thinking what else is needed. And I felt that there was a lot of potential interest here in architecture. I was interested in it. I just decided that it was important to make available some opportunities to learn more about architecture. Started out very modestly. I think we had 4 lectures, and by the time I left, we had 9. And they were free and open to the public. And I will say here, too, that this facility, the Art Center, is free and open to the public. So this is like the public library. You make it available to everybody. I guess my focus has been on the arts and making a difference here in Arkansas. And certainly a lot of things have changed since I came here. And I was glad to be part of it insofar as I could, and glad that a lot of other people have continued to promote it.